my own cheese spread. So I eat it.
What ingredients do you need?
Is that a cheese bread or a poop bread?
Cheese spread.
Your cheese looks like poop eh. Oh, that's enough na. No more na eh. You want daddy to help you na? But I think that's enough na eh. Oh, that's enough, that's enough. Naku, you eat the cheese spread. That's why it's ubos pala eh. It's the other way around. No, the other way around. Yan. See? So what are you going to say to your subscribers? Okay. How about the cheese spread that is left on the spoon?
What's this?
Bakit gumawa ng plastic na sa labas? Tayo sa laundry ko. Tapos gumawa ng plastic bag. Para may
Are you done? Say goodbye to your subscribers.
Bye-bye.
And you're going to eat now? Tell them you're going to eat now and take a bite. What can you say about your cheese bread?